Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name on the game on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, that's my farm, and if you want to change the name of your character, just click to the star icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click the customize icon under your character, and you can find your name, actually the player and the numbers. If you want to customize, click to the pencil icon and you can type another name, and if you want to finish, click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.